This is part of a much larger initiative with Ohio State Parks. And these cabins in particular, I think people will come stay here just because of how cozy, comforting, and inviting they are. I think they're a blend of modern amenities and modern look with a very cabin feel. The live edge wood furniture sourced in Ohio, I think, plays a big part in that. The color schemes were picked intentionally to be kind of natural palette colors, and they have a very comfortable feel to them when you're inside. I'm excited to receive feedback about what new visitors think of these cabins, and maybe some visitors that have stayed in our other cabins in the past, how they feel to them. I'm very excited to hear what the public has to say once we get some people cycling through, and I think the feedback will be overwhelmingly positive. So the outlook, I think, is good for me as the manager, for the park staff. I'm proud that this project has come to fruition. I'm proud of my park staff. I'm proud of all the Columbus staff. I'm excited about the future.